but you will never share the spoils. The end of a great chapter and the beginning of a new one. Today we travel the globe, the musical globe. And we find Mrs. Magician. Welcome to Animal Sounds. That is a great one. Another one.
I got 3 minutes before I... Shut up.
Okay. Well, now we have 2.5. If Mrs. Magician could create their own record label, what would it be called?
We did.
There you go. What's the name of it?
It's called Thrill Me Records, and it's named after one of my favorite horror actors, Tom Atkins, who was in our new music video, Eyes All Over Town.
You guys did.
Drop the mic. Drop it.
You guys did. I gotta continue the interview. It's a San Diego band, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, you were not mistaken.
Is everybody from San Diego?
I'm from Ramona, but yes.
And how many times have you been in the Navy?
Well, my father was in the Navy, so none.
My friend TC here is part of a band of animals that makes a lot of sounds. He has in his lap right now, really close to his baby bud, a thing that we also like to call an African tree frog. TC, what sound does that animal make when there's hot chicks around? I have another question. This is actually my phone bill. $210.
Is that like internet in?
Yeah, I don't know if it's like a county district tax or...
Bill at a glance. This previous balance, 155.
The more concerning thing is the date.
Mrs. Magician, what is your spirit animal?
The tiger, I believe.
Is the tiger, is that a pretty good basis for the whole band, or is that just TC's spirit animal?
Yeah, I'll go with that. Tiger.
Okay. Tiger it is.
See?
Hey now.
Tiger.
Woo! Ride, past the rivers and ride, past the seas. Ooh, I don't wanna go back. I say my pains on the boys, touch the stage right. Ooh, I don't wanna go back. Don't mess around. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. It's a joke. To all my friends, it's a joke. But the joke is on me. Ooh, it makes me nervous. Ooh, it makes me wanna come back. It's alright. To the water like sirens bed. It's almost for me. Ooh, it makes me nervous. Ooh, it makes me nervous. Ooh, it makes me wanna talk it. So don't mess around. 'Cause I got eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. I just wanna forget. I just wanna forget. Not a sex in the trip. Not a sex in the trip. Don't mess around. 'Cause I got eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town. Eyes all over town.
This is Chango and Animal Sounds. I got Mrs. Magician. Be on the lookout. You know what? I want you guys to have a vinyl release party. Can we do that?
Yeah.
When would you like to do it?
We're gonna do it on the 21st at Soda Bar.